Good afternoon guys, my name is Shreyansh Aryan and this is my another video of Brutal Gamer. Basically in my first video I have given you content of Free Fire and you have given very good message on it, very good subscribers you have given, but now I am starting my journey only from YouTube. So if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe it, and I will give you that game link. This is Loki Craft. And let me tell you about this game that it is a very good game, because in Minecraft you need to pay the money, 600 rupees, 400 rupees, but in this game you don't need to pay the money, it's free. In the Google App Store you can get it. And now see my house, beautiful house which I have made in the basically 2 or 3 days it took to make me. From creative mode I have made, but in survival mode it will take a lot of time, so better you make it in creative mode and then you go and then change it to survival, so it will be more good. So basically my this puppy is trying to get out, but I don't think he should be there. Now let me show you my upstairs. Now you can see that this beautiful balcony is above it. Now from up you can see there is my farm, and I think that from there I should get the food, but and you can see from the top I have margined whole of my campus so that much of the monster should not come. So guys, basically this is my house which I have made, but you have not seen me making it. Just whatever I have made I have just shown you. But basically now, one second, but basically now we will go and we will enjoy the game. Now we will go to another series of Loki Craft, and then we will make one new thing. So you only help us in the comment. You only help me in the comment at what I should make. Now see, this is my getup. Very beautiful getup it is. Now guys, I am thinking that my house, this house which I have made, I have shown you completely. So now let me go to another series. From there I will show you something, okay? So let me come here again in Loki Craft. Guys, I have posted one video on Brutal Gamer to only just think and just say that it is coming properly or not, but yes, it is coming. Now I will make my another world which will help you create new world, and I will name my world as Brutal Gamer. Brutal Gamer. Okay, so I have changed into creative mode. Oh, sorry, I have not created it. Sorry, very much sorry. Let me type again. Brutal. This is another problem. Brutal Gamer. Brutal Gamer. Done. Create new world. Now it is creating the world. Now guys, see where I have come. Oh, there is all over ocean. Okay, no problem. We will fly and we will search for a land part, then we will make our things which we want to make. Oh guys, what do you think? Should I make a water house? Oh, if you will give 3k likes on this video, I will make a water house for you. And underwater house I will also make. So first I will make a land house, and if you will give 3k likes, and I need 3k subscribers also, then I will make a house which will be basically in the water. But now I have to search for a land part. This is all over ocean. I need to search for the land part where it is. There is no problem. And yes, if there will be 5k likes, then I will make a cloud house, and if there will be a 3k likes, then on the water house If you want me to make a cloud house, then you can try it. Okay, so let me see. You don't need to worry. This is very laggy. Okay, no problem. Let me see. Yeah, can heard the voice. No, see, there is land. Yeah, this is the land part which we get. Now I will make a tree house, and if you want to see a tree house, then you can see making a tree house in Loki Craft. That will be my theme. So here I will make my. So let's get started. So let's go down and start our work. So from here we will start making. And if you will put the bone meal there, it will be more good to see. Let me see for bone meal where it is and which type of it is found. Bone meal, redstone torch. I don't need comparator not. Bone meal should be present here. I think. I don't know. I have never tried a bone meal. Mushroom of sapling. In wood parts, maybe it is bone arrow part. Carrot on a stick. Feather empty map. Let me see. 1 second. Bone meal. Okay. Oh yes, there bone meal also. Yes, I have seen rabbit stew, magma cream, seeds, pumpkin, beetroot, bone meal. Wait a minute, guys. Let me say it where it is. I don't know where it is. Let me see. Bone meal. Oh, meal. We should be always present the food part. I know, but I am thinking maybe it is present. Let me 1 pound another mod lace powder slim mod rabbit foot ground insertion muscle. If you see, please inform me. Poisonous beetroot not idea. Raw salmon cooked pork chop gold one full man is speaking. Let him speak. We have to search for basically bone meal. Has it grown? Not. It has not grown. No problem. I have to search for basically a bone meal. I don't know where it is. Please. Okay, let me find it. It is only taking lot of time to find that house. Bone meal. Is it a bone meal? Charcoal. Glow dust, sharpness, blast, protection, depth, unbreaking, regeneration. Where it is regeneration? Where it is regeneration? Regeneration 2. Okay, let me put here. Okay, guys, let me see where it is. One house has gone. See, that is growing. If you will use the regeneration, now here I will make my house. Now guys, you can see. Now here I will make my house. It will be a beautiful house to see. On tree I will make my house. Mm, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I am living in a small city, that's why it is a lot of noise. So here you can see I'm making my house. Mm. So here you can see my beautiful tree house which I have made. So here I have put this. So here you can see. So guys, now I have made this house, but we will make the next house in our again next part. So if you will like my video, then only I will make my tree house full. And remember to give 5k likes, then only I will think of making a water house. So thanks for watching.